Happy Thursday from Mrs. Ellis. So, today is our very last day of telling time. Some of you are probably like, no, and some of you are probably like, yes, it's over. Well, no matter how you feel, the facts are the facts. Today's our last day. So, we're going to be talking again about time to the nearest hour and the nearest half hour. Some of the clocks you're going to need to draw the hands. Some of them you just need to tell the time. All right, you ready to get started? Let's get going. It says, circle the clock or clocks. There might be more than one. That show 3:30. 3:30. 3:30 is another way of saying 3:30. Does this show 3:30? What time does it show? Yeah, that shows 3 o'clock, not it. Does this show 3:30? What time does it show? Yeah, 2:30 or 2:30. We're looking for 3:30. Is this halfway past 3? Between the 3 and the 4? And does it show that it's halfway past the hour, which is on the 6 for 30? 3:30? Yup. All right, let's do this one. Write the time or draw the hands on the clock. A, we need to draw 4:30. 4:30. 4:30 means 4:30. So let me draw my hour hand halfway past the 4 and my minute hand on the 30, which means 6. There we go. Write the time. What time does this clock say? Where's the hour hand? Oh, it's underneath the minute hand. Oh, so both of them are pointing up, which means what time is it? Yep, 12 o'clock. All right, now we need to draw 9 o'clock. Oh, so easy. 9 o'clock means that the hour hand is pointing right at the 9, and the minute hand is pointing right up at the 12. Oops. Thought that little silly. Oh my gosh, why can't I draw a straight line right now? There we go. Easy. Moving on. Draw the minute and hour hands on the clocks below. All right. I'll help you guys do the top row. You guys are going to do the bottom row all on your own. 1 o'clock. I love drawing o'clocks because those are so easy. You just draw the hour hand on the 1, minute hand on the 12. All right. 1:30. Where should I draw my hour hand? Between what? Between the 1 and the 2, because it's halfway past 1. 30. That means the minute hand goes up, not past the 6, on the 6. There we go. All right, how should I draw 2 o'clock? Where should my hour hand go? Yep, my hour hand needs to go on the 2. And my minute hand needs to go on the 12. All right, now you guys are going to do D, E, and F. Sending you guys some love. Make sure you draw 6:30, 7:30, 8:30. You can draw with your finger on the screen, or if you want, you can go ahead and draw these circle clocks on your paper and then draw the hands that way. Go ahead. Six 7:30, 8. These are tricky. Who is going to get them right? Make sure those hour hands need to be exactly where they are. Where they should be, halfway. All right. Remember, if you need more time, you can go ahead and press pause now. Because I'm about to tell you the answers in 10. And 9. And 8. And 7. And 6. And 5. And 4. And 3. And 2. And 1. I can't see it. All right, 6:30. You should have drew it halfway between the 6 and the 7, and then on the 6 for 30. 7:30, halfway between the 7 and the 8, and then on the 6 to show 30. 8:30, halfway between the 8 and the 9, and then on the 6 to show 30. Hey, who got that? Who got that? If you did, I got that. I can hear you say, I got that. All right, let's keep going. You guys can do all of these on your own. You got the whole thing. GHIJKL. Remember, you can draw the fingers. You can draw it with your fingers on the screen, or draw your clocks on your paper and write out these times. For G, you need to draw 10 o'clock. H, 11 o'clock. I, 12 o'clock. J, 9:30. K, 3 o'clock. And L, 5:30. I know I'm not going to give you enough time to do all of these, so remember, if you need more time, just go ahead and hit pause. $10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 5:30, 3 o'clock, 5:30. Don't forget, the hour hand is super short. The minute hand is super long. Make sure your hands are different sizes. They can't be the same size. If you need more time, go ahead and pause. I'm going to tell you the answers in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Ooh, who has been doing their IXL skills with the clock this week? Today is your last day to get it done before our calls on Friday. This week you should have 2 skills about clocks and 1 skills about 10s and 1s from Number Corner, okay? Don't forget to do those 3 skills. IXL, super easy. Just go to clever.com, type in your username and password. If you don't know what that is, text your teachers. They will let you know. Then choose IXL, and right on that right side, it's going to say 3 skills suggested by your teacher. Those are the only 3 skills you need to do this week. If you did not do them yet, do them right after this video. Okay? Great. Let me go ahead and show you the answers. For the hour hand on the 10, minute hand straight up to the 12, 11 o'clock. Hour hand on the 11, minute hand straight up to the 12, 12 o'clock. Short hour hand on the 12, long minute hand right on top of it, like that. It should just look like one thing. Can't even see the other one. 9:30, halfway between the 9 and the 10, down to the 6, 3 o'clock. On the 3, on the 12, 5:30, halfway between the 5 and the 6, and then 30 goes down to the 6. There we go. Write the time on the line under the clock. Oh, these are so easy. All you gotta do is write the clock. The times. You don't even have to draw the clocks. What time does A say? 1 o'clock. 2 easies for us. B. Ooh, is it 12:30? Not 12:30. 11:30. Remember, it's not on the 12 yet. Uh-oh. All right, what's this one say? Oh, I know what that says. 12:30, right? No. The hour hand is pointing on the 6. So the hour hand is pointing on the 6. The minute hand is going up, which means o'clock. So the time is 6 o'clock. Yup. What time does that say? 7 and 7:30. This is between the 5 and the 6, which means it is, yep, 5:30. And then last, between the 2 and the 3, which means it is 2:30. You got it. And just like that, all done. It's time for the exit ticket. Remember, do those IXL skills. Last week, first grade, we didn't have that many people who did all 3 skills. And you got to make sure you're doing the right ones. All right? First grade, let's do better than kindergarten. We got to get our numbers up. Make sure you're doing your IXL skills every day. All right? Look at the clocks below. Write the time under each clock. Remember, you don't have to draw the pictures of the clock for this one. You just need to write the time. You're going to write the letter G and write what time that clock says. H, write in words what time that clock says. I, write what time that clock says. You got it? Don't forget to send your pictures to your teachers. Can't wait to see your work and see your faces tomorrow on FaceTime or Zoom. See you soon.